In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a Steam group. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to find communities that match your interests, whether you are using the Steam client or a browser. Start by opening the Steam client on your computer. Or head to the Steam website and log in through your browser. Make sure you are signed in to the account you actually use for your games so the group will show up where you expect it to. Once you are in, look toward the top of the page. You'll see your profile name along the main navigation bar right next to the Community tab. Hover your mouse over your profile name to open the drop-down menu. Then click on Groups. This takes you to your personal Groups hub, where you can view the groups you are already in and, more importantly for today, discover new ones. From the Groups page, you have two simple ways to find communities. First, scroll to the bottom and click Find a Group. This opens a discovery view designed for browsing, or, if you prefer a more direct approach, use the Steam Community Groups search tool. Type a keyword, a game title, a genre, or even a specific interest you are curious about. The results will show group names, icons, and member counts, which can help you quickly gauge how active a community might be. Take a moment to browse through the results. When one catches your eye, click the group name to open its page. Here, you'll see the group's description, recent announcements, events, and discussions. Skimming this information helps you confirm the vibe of the community and whether it aligns with what you are looking for, maybe news for a favorite game, a trading hub, or a place to find co-op partners. When you are ready, look to the top right of the group's page for the Join Group button. Click it and you are in. After joining, the group will appear on your group's page, making it easy to revisit. You'll also start seeing that group's announcements and events within the community areas of Steam, so you can stay updated without hunting them down each time. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.